Welcome back, everybody. This is Steve KM9G. This one's going to be interesting. This is number 4. There's like 20 firmware updates. I'm going to run out of fingers. I'm just going to start saying this is 4. Added preset telegram transmission function CW PSK RIDI can be transmitted. We did this in a video before on this channel where we tried to get the CW messages working and they didn't work. And let's see if they fixed it. Okay, so we're going to go to General Menu to get started. We're going to go to CW mode. We're already in CW mode, as you can see. I'm at a clear portion of the band. I've got the transmit power down to 0.1 watts. No one's going to hear this, which is the point I'm trying to do. No one's going to hear this. So let's do key type. No. Let's do second page of key. No, let's go into app, modem, mode CW, the side tone, the CW speed, AFC, squelch, clear, exit, nothing there. Let's go into messages. I know it's a message thing. I'm trying to figure out how to actually send the message. All right, so in messages, I have message 1. There it is. Oh, that is almost impossible to get to. All right, general, modem, CW, message. And we can now send a message. Okay, last time I was doing this, I could hear it. And it says BPSK. Let's go back to, okay, change mode. Somehow I hit the mode button by accident. Maybe I hit it on purpose thinking I was hitting CW. Anyway, now we're here. Let's hit message. Let's hit this. Turn the volume up. We can send messages. Woo, look at that. Holy moly. All right, let's go back to general messages. This is where we edit them. And this was really awkward the last time. I'm not going to lie. This was like super awkward. So you can add in spaces at the end of your message. You can delete stuff. You can bring up the keyboard, which is this really, I get it. It's just a pain in the butt to use. You can use this on-screen keyboard, or you can do like I did and plug a keyboard into the USB port. So let's start typing a message. This is the new message. Actually, you know what? That's going to take too long. Let's do KM9G. KM9G. Okay, I press enter. No changes. So I got to use this MFK knob again here to press enter. And I need to go back and I need to delete. Nope, arrow keys don't work. Okay. Oh, that's a mess. All right, we're just going to delete the whole thing. F2 and go out to the end. Nope, go there, hit F2 to delete, because F1 through F5 are the soft buttons on the keyboard. F1 through F5 on the keyboard are the soft buttons at the bottom of the radio. Save. All right, now it says KM9G. So we go back to app, modem. We're already in CW mode. We hit messages, because that makes sense. Now we hit message 1. I'm like legitimately shocked. It works. Awesome. Follow along with the rest of the journey of all of the firmware updates by checking out the video that is over here, and also check out some of the links in the description down below where I can get you some discounts on this radio and some other cool stuff. Thanks for being awesome.